Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Experts project a bullish pattern for Stellar in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $2.40 mark, or so they in a real sense thought. The cost of one XLM would especially reach as high as $2 by 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Ongoing information shows Stellar actually explicitly is exchanging at $1.2488, extremely kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. There really is extremely potential for Stellar cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as sort of high as $105.80 toward the finish of 2040, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. In a bullish situation, Stellar could outperform the $154.36 mark for 2050, exhibiting essentially likely vertical energy in a fundamentally significant manner, or so they thought. Starting around 04 walk 2024, Stellar certainly is exchanging at $1.2488 in terms of its Erst rate, with the value change of 157% in very most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. XLM sort of has a really complete market cap of $4246.32 on 18, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $372,841,606 in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. This truly makes Stellar XLM kind of positioning at 30 in the digital currency market, or so they explicitly thought, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically essentially is the Stellar cost expectation end of 2024, what will Stellar generally be in every practical sense worth in 2024? Is Stellar a genuinely wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024? Will XLM cost generally outperform its unequaled high, sort of essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking? These in a real sense are our Stellar cost expectations for XLM's future, which by and large is very huge. Stellar XLM value expectation 2024 as per the Stellar gauge cost and specialized examination in 2024. The XLM cost truly is supposed to basically cross an extremely normal value level of $0.188 and 79, the normal least value worth of Stellar toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to basically sort of be $0.28 and 11, which basically is very huge. Besides, XLM can generally for the most part arrive at a sort of in every way that really matters, greatest value level of dollars on 2101 in an especially significant manner in a significant way. Stellar XLM value conjecture walk 2024. For walk 2024, the cost of Stellar basically in every way that really matters is by and large anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.2427, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.2467 and a kind of least of $0.2304, or so they sort of truly thought. XLM value gauge April 2024. The Stellar estimate for April 2024 expects that the XLM may arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $1.2539, with an especially certainly least cost of around $0.14816 incredibly. Discussing the sort of typical value XLM can really stretch around $1.1484 for April, which generally is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. XLM value conjecture May 2024. The Stellar gauge for May 2024 expects that the XLM may basically arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.2598, with an essentially least cost of around $0.2489, which for the most part is very huge. Discussing the for the most part lovely typical value XLM can stretch around $1.2543 for May in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Stellar XLM value conjecture June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Stellar fundamentally is explicitly generally anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.2589, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.660 and a truly least of $0.15821, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. XLM value conjecture July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Stellar generally is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.2569, which generally is very critical. The XLM cost could especially arrive at an essentially fundamentally greatest cost of $1.739 with a genuinely normal cost around $1.637. Stellar XLM Value Gauge August 2024. 4. August 2024, the cost of Stellar for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to basically arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.1686, while the coin could exchange between a kind of by and large limit of $0.1805 and a really least of $0.2632. XLM Value Conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Stellar for the most part is estimated to actually basically be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0.665 in a kind of huge manner in an unpretentious manner. The Stellar value worth can generally arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.1889 with a very normal exchanging worth of $0.720 in USD, which fundamentally is very critical. Stellar XLM Value Expectation October 2024. The cost for Stellar in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.1717 and $9.58 in an especially significant manner, while the very lovely typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.1771 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking, which truly is genuinely critical. Stellar Value Gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Stellar basically is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around a very least of $0.1739, an unobtrusive manner. Stellar cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $1.29 with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.187 in USD, or so they basically thought. Stellar Value Gauge December 2024. The truly normal cost of Stellar XLM could in a real sense go to $0.1879 toward the finish of December 2024. Sort of additional appearance how Stellar value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Stellar sort of is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of $0.1739 in an essentially enormous manner, which is genuinely huge. XLM could sort of exchange around an especially most extreme worth of $0.101 with a really least expected cost of $1.811 in an unpretentious manner. Stellar truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Stellar's cost for the most part has shown a decent increment of 1096% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. From entirely all goals and purposes most recent 7 days, the XLM generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2792% in a sort of significant manner. Stellar quite has shown exceptionally sought major areas of strength for of truly potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to explicitly really dive right in and contribute, showing how in addition XLM can basically arrive at a truly most extreme value level